Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for
giving giikaro-ini bunge miaraho ya kana kiria gutanyitwo kuhitukia kana kuregana na riboti igie ngukumio ruhonge-ini mbeu njithi NYS.
Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker.
Riboti ino ikigomerwo ni unyihu wa abunge aria riu matanyitwo kuhitukia kana kuregana na riboti ino kiumia giukite.
I wish to move as I urge this House, Mr. Speaker, to pass this report so that people who are responsible for this scam can be identified and punished.
Na hindi ya Ndereti ino amemba a kamiti ino ni magithitie kiene bukiriria makoretwo magitungio magicukirwo guthoga mumirira ma riboti ino.
There was no attempt at all, Mr. Speaker, to hide this theft. This is a group of individuals who acted out of impunity, sat somewhere and organized themselves. In fact, this is, to me, was a group of gangs who are placed in very important positions of leadership in this country. It's unfortunate that we had this category.
Riboti ino ikauga Anne Waiguru niwe wari na itemi nene hari ngukumio ino ya mamilioni ma mbeca. Mendekithia ma riboti ino ri hamwe na kuhingirwo kurugama giturwa kia muingi kugikinyana na ati Waiguru ni ekuonekana na mahitia.
Remarks, Mr. Speaker, I want to support adoption of this report, and I say the recommendations must be implemented.
Ona mwandiki munene wa hau kabere ministry-ini ino ya wathani wa matura Peter Mangiti ni endekithirio oirwo kinyaria kiwatho.
We cannot protect thieving governors, use their money for campaigns, and yet pretend money that has been stolen from poor widows in the Kenyan countryside, and yet pretend, Mr. Speaker, that we are crusaders against corruption. It is all a lie. And if we continue that way, we'll just be changing the forests, but the monkeys.
Abunge ramu ma Ndereti ino ningi makinyururia Waiguru kumana na kwagithia kiene riboti ino. Akamiti ino ningi kihanda na riboti ino na ire ningi endekithitie guthitango kwa maabitha angi 24 aria marerikana mari na itemi ngukumio iyo.
It was Anne Waiguru who even suggested the names of the companies that I was supposed to use. Now, when I hear some people talk about Anne Waiguru and then she appears before us and tries to exonerate herself and tries to talk nice things and even tell us that she's not the one in charge of finances, that she's not the accounting officer, yet it is clear.
Anne Waiguru agatirithia riboti ino imurongoririe kiuteti mwerekera-ini wa githuurano kinene giukite na kana riboti ino ni kumuhinga gukarugama giturwa kia ugavana kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga no guo tugweterera. Grifotera Inoro TV kuma giikaro-ini bunge ritwa kuna masharia wa Gachuru.